Gifts of stock. In 2006, the Government of Canada recognized there would be great value to donors and ultimately to the charitable sector if the capital gains were eliminated from gifts of stocks and securities. Now an individual can make a donation that is virtually tax-free to them, still receive the full value receipt, and charities would only stand to benefit more. Sounds great, right? It is. Except the thing is, very few people are actually doing it. In fact, according to the statistics, the number was so small it didn't even make the graph in the tally. So what's holding people back? Uncertainty? Lack of understanding? Fear of the risk? Let's look at what really happens when you make a gift of stocks and securities. What investments can be used? Any publicly traded stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other securities can be gifted in this scenario. How does it work? The simplest way to make your gift of securities is to have them electronically transferred from your brokerage account to your favorite charity's brokerage account. How will the tax receipt be calculated? You will receive a receipt for income tax purposes for the full appreciated value of your donation of publicly traded stock or securities, similar to when you donate gifts of cash. Your receipt for income tax purposes will be in the amount of the closing trading price on the day Bethlehem Housing and Support Services receives delivery of the shares. Our policy is to sell all securities donated on the day they are received. You can claim charitable donations for up to 75% of your net income, and there is a 5-year carry forward on any unused donation amount. This means if the value of your appreciated stocks you are donating are more than 75% of your income, you can carry the balance forward and claim it in the next year, up to 5 years. As with any gift, you may designate your donation of securities for a specific program or project approved by the Board of Directors, or you may leave your gift unrestricted, allowing us to direct your money where it is needed the most. What you can see in the example here is that by donating the shares directly, you actually save an extra $2,000 by not paying the capital gains taxes, and you get the full tax credit at 50% of the full value of the donation. This is a vastly underutilized way to give some very significant gifts to your favorite charity. Your stocks and securities might be worth more than you know and more than you may need. Let's look at another example. Henry donates listed stocks valued at $20,000, which he had purchased for $4,000. His capital gain is $16,000, all of it exempt from taxation. As a result, his gift contribution results in a tax credit of $9,200, which he can use to offset taxes otherwise owing on other income this year. Probate taxes charged on your estate will be reduced, and the gift cannot be challenged as retirement fund proceeds pass outside your estate directly to Bethlehem Housing, providing an additional measure of privacy. Thanks for watching. We appreciate that you consider Bethlehem one of your favorite charities. Consider what you can do today.